Do you know what we're doing today?
Skincare.
Yeah!
One side.
Hey everyone, today's video is a little different and really exciting because I've never talked about this with you.
That's true.
Today, we are teaching Papa Pandu a thing or two about skin care. First, we're gonna start with the cleanser, and it's this baby right here from Biossance. Shout out to Biossance because I'm partnering with Biossance for this video, and if it wasn't for them, me and Papa Pandu would not have even thought to do a skincare video together. But when they came out with this new squalane jelly cleanser, which my father called the other day.
That's okay, go ahead.
Wait, no, I forgot. What did you call it the other day? Try to say the name of the brand.
I don't know. Ah, jewelry cleaner.
Jewelry cleaner?
Yeah.
Daddy, what is the name of the brand?
A jelly cleaner.
Wait, say the name of the brand.
Biossance, I don't know.
Biossance?
Yeah.
Biossance.
Biossance.
I am super excited to teach my dad how to do skincare. This is gonna be interesting. What do you normally do, Dad?
I have these aftershave, that's it.
The aftershave, that's what's going on. 70-year-old man.
That's all I did all throughout my life. Yeah, 70.
70-year-old man, look how great he looks. Oh my God, you turned 70 in like a day, yeah. Before we get started, Dad, I feel like we need to call Mama Pandu because she's having FOMO that she's not here. And you're all up in my videos and she's no longer in my videos.
Good.
Let's call Mama Pandu.
Oh,
Hi, Mom.
there she is.
Hi, Mom.
Hey.
Remember that product that you did the video with me in LA? Remember this one? Show her.
This one.
The brand that we did with my friend JPN, we sat on the couch and we talked about skincare. I'm working with them again to teach Dad how to do a skincare routine.
Oh, for Daddy?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
He's learning all about skincare now.
At this
Oh,
age.
that's wonderful, Raja. I think you should use it.
It takes
Seriously good one.
70 years, but now he's learning.
Yeah.
At least he started. That's be happy, Deepica.
That's true, that's a good point.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna teach him now.
Okay.
Oh, that's wonderful. Great. Go ahead.
Enjoy your walk.
Thank you, Bangaru.
Bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
We're gonna keep it simple for you.
Okay.
We're not gonna do some like 50-step YouTube video. It's gonna be a simple routine. We're gonna have some key favorite brands in the mix right now. Starting with the cleanser.
Okay. Okay, go ahead, don't laugh. I don't know. Aftershave is the only one I was using so far. So.
Did you ever think that you'd be doing a skincare video with your daughter right now?
No, but I'm doing it now.
You are, and you're gonna learn something. This new jelly cleanser from Biossance is for everyone, which means you can use it.
Old men?
I can use it. Old men, young men, women, whatever you identify as. This is cleanser, it can work for you. It's actually a makeup remover and a cleanser. Oh, look.
It's a color.
Look how pretty that color is. That's really pretty.
It's pretty.
And it's squalane packed. Do you know what squalane is, Dad?
Oh, tell me.
Squalane is what's in my Hue Stick also. It is a super ingredient that really helps with making your skin hydrated. So first you have to apply it to damp skin. I got all excited I forgot to damp my skin. Let's damp our skin. Damp skin. Skin is damp.
Okay.
What I personally like about it is that this is also a makeup remover. So if I did have a ton of makeup on right now, I'm cleansing my skin and getting a makeup remover in one. Let's smell it. It smells pleasant.
Hey.
Yeah, it's
Ooh.
nice. Okay,
Good.
so when you rub it into your skin, this will get rid of all your impurities. And because it has that squalane, it will hydrate it as well. I am not over the fact that I'm doing a skincare routine with
I
my
got too
father.
much on it.
No, you don't.
So we get it on this. That's it.
Yep, there you go. The texture is really nice and soft. Interesting.
Very nice.
And I can already tell that it would be really great for removing makeup. And I love, you know I love a good hybrid
Can I
product.
put on my hands also? No.
Sure.
Okay. So I can get it.
Hack for the Biossance cleanser, it can also wash your hands. All right, Dad, now we're gonna take some water and wipe this off.
Okay.
Growing up, Mom never taught me to use towels to remove my cleanser,
Oh, okay.
but I
What is she was doing?
always hands.
Oh my God.
But I like towels so
That's
much
good.
more.
Yeah. It's good.
Look at that, clean, supple, cleansed skin.
It's really good.
Wow, I've never seen your skin so clean.
Because I was using one aftershave.
We're just gonna step it up. I'm not gonna go crazy with you and make you do like a 15-step anything. Okay, Dad, what do you do after a cleanser?
Wash.
We just washed.
Oh, then you put a makeup. No, and you put a, not makeup, nothing. I don't know, you tell me.
You usually use a toner next. So this toner is from my friend Ranavat Botanics, Indian brand. Close your eyes.
You told me that.
Smells good, right, Jasmine?
Very nice. Jasmine, yeah. Ooh, smells so good.
Let it seep into the skin. Escape into the jasmines. And now that that's in your skin and sort of soaking in, the next step is applying a serum. This one's from Estee Lauder.
Oh.
Mom loves this stuff.
Uh-huh.
So you're gonna love this stuff because that's how it works.
I thought this was only for girls.
No!
For everybody, yeah?
Daddy, come on now. Good.
Oh, same way?
We all want good skin, yes. Rub it together. Good job. Rub it into
good
your
too.
skin. Nice and nourished. Hydrated, beautiful looking skin. You know, if you did this every single night,
Yeah.
think of the change, Raj. Think of the change. See? Let's show him your skin. Give him a close-up, or Dad. Give him a
Looks
close-up.
like I'm not going to retire, looks like.
Yeah.
I'm not a retired man.
Look how young you look.
Looks
He's
younger.
a young looking skin.
All I need is some color on my hair. That's it. I'm all set.
No, I like the salt and pepper vibes. Tell Papa Pandu the salt and pepper vibes are good. So now that we've cleansed the skin and removed the makeup from the skin, we've serumed the skin out, we've toned the skin with a tonic. Now we're gonna go in with a night cream. This one is from Naturium. It is an intense overnight sleeping cream. Wash thoroughly in the morning. Interesting, use 2 to 3 times a week or as needed. My favorite part about this one is that it's also packed with squalane, a super ingredient that I love. So this is a thick moisturizer. Let's give you some. This one's like a thick cream, so it's really good for heavy nourishment.
So you keep it on overnight?
Yes, sir.
So morning I have to wash it.
It's super thick. So personally for me, I like thick ones, especially at nighttime, because I feel like I'm like almost putting an overnight mask on. And I love waking up with my skin feeling really nice and nourished. This is my first time using this one from Naturium.
That's about it, right?
Then you go sleep.
Yeah. Tomorrow morning, you gotta wash it. That's it.
But Dad, that wasn't
good.
so hard, was it?
No, it's good.
So hopefully you learned a thing or two. What did you learn today? Tell me one, please tell me you learned one thing out of this video.
Skincare.
Okay,
Yeah. How to
I'll
take
take
care
it.
Of, how to take care of your face thing and really nice now.
what's the order? He learned nothing, but
Yeah.
hopefully you guys learned something from this video.
So I'm not used to this kind of thing.
Can somebody tell him that you guys love him? He is so convinced in every video that you guys do not like watching him. He is the cutest little button in the entire world. And now he has great skin. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments below what else you want to see from us, and we'll see you next time. Peace out. Bye. Peace out.